And hello. क्या हो रहा है?
Good morning.
क्या हो रहा है?
Everything's happening for the good.
Yeah, but nobody thought it'll happen so fast.
Yeah, that's the surprise element for the markets, and I think it was much needed also because after almost 5 months of consistent price correction, we were at a point we were extremely oversold. Yes, the bounce back was a lot more steep or unexpected, but I think that's the nature of how bounce backs happens for markets. You know, there comes a point where there is anticipation, there is fear, and then all of that sudden, it results into maybe lack of or that FOMO effect that maybe you could have participated with a much more higher allocation or higher leverage on the lower levels, but that's how the markets are.
So what is the high water mark for this market? I mean, it'll keep on surprising us because there are a lot of disbelievers right now. Everyone is saying, oh my God, we missed it. That, oh my God, we missed it has to come and say, we are ready to buy.
Yeah, I always believe doubt is the fuel of every market rally, and especially after these kind of trends which you've gone through. Now we look at benchmarks for individual stocks as well as indices because that gives us more of a power course where the index would probably head towards. Now you are looking at a point where many of the indices, like for example Bank Nifty, has come back substantially above its long-term moving averages. There are individual stocks from different sectors, metals, infra, etc. Many of these stocks have come back above their long-term moving averages. So which means we are looking at the first index level, the Nifty level, at 24,200 range for the Nifty. So we closed at 23,600, 700 mark yesterday, which means we are looking at least another 300 to 350 points on the upside for the index over the near term. And assuming if there is no major negative news flow which comes out, say on 2nd of April, nothing damaging to the market sentiment, then I would believe that we could be looking at further build-up of trends for the indices. So what we are looking out for is a classic sector churn, strong strength across individual stock, large cap names participating by rotation, underperforming stocks also making a comeback, and Nifty I think potentially should head back towards its 200 DMA, which is 24,000 plus mark.
Okay, already standing at 24,000 plus levels, but Kunal, what's going to be your stock bias?
So I'll go with the large cap names, a few of them, and both of them are actually individual breakout candidates. DMart is the first one, which looks fairly attractive. That stock heading towards a classical triple top breakout about that 4,000 mark, and over the last 3 months, the stock had been taking resistance at those levels. So it looks like that this could be a breakout move for the stock. Would look out for targets in the range of 4,200, stops at 3,900. And Axis Bank is also one of the other stocks in the private sector banking names, making a very strong comeback. So it's almost very close towards breaking its 200-day moving average. And I believe that the underperformance for Axis Bank with respect to the other stronger private banking names, that should play a catch-up. Would look out for a near-term target of 1150, stop us at 1,078.
It's gone to 4,000.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, what, 10% up?
3,400 I think was the low.
20%.
20%.
Almost 20%. I mean, the point we are discussing, Aisha, that there is this
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.